Welcome to my mess. Yep. We're getting the garage squared away today. It's gonna be fun. No, it's not. Oi, I'm LilBJessup. Last video, you saw me take the bikes from this area and, move them to my shed over there. Why? Well, I want to have a creative space. And this is my creative space. My problem with it is not organized, it's a mess. Could be better. What I'm doing in this video is I'm moving stuff around, putting stuff where I need it, and just making it better. I made this little map with mobile things so I can, in theory, fit a truck into the garage to work on. Why do I want to do that? Well, you may not know this, but I work night shift. And when you predominantly work night shift, the weather's terrible, it's cold, December is awful for night shift, and I just want a space to work when it's dark. Can't really work out there when it's dark, because, it's dark. I'm in the country. But we're gonna fix that today. I'm gonna move my workbench over here next to my fireplace and just do away with this contraption. Build some shelves over here. I've got extra pegboard I'm gonna put up. I originally thought about putting my workbench here, but with the wood stove there, it's like, you know what? Let me put it over there because that's an immovable object. So if I can make that corner like the tool shop area and just have this side storage and shelves, I think we'll be doing pretty good. So without further ado, I'm going to get to continuing to moving stuff. I've got a lot of stuff moved already, and just getting this space cleared up so I can get the bench over there, just back and forth. And I'll update you along the way. So I'm trying to add like a continuity of the timeline for my videos instead of just jumping around doing a bunch of random stuff. So, so I'm going to move the shed, build the shed out. Now garage is getting so much needed attention, and then we can start doing projects. You know what's crazy to think also? This is what I started on, just this little scrap workbench. It's wild. This is my leftover van's bed frame. So the original van build, I took the bed out, and this is my workbench that I used for a while. Then we moved up to this guy, which is the current one. I've got this kind of dolly under it. Will that work? Oh. That could go wrong. Okay, that didn't work too well. This kind of just scoops the whole thing. Alrighty. Just got finished leveling the workbench using the self-adjusters on the bottoms of it. So, cause my garage floor is garage is probably from the 50s. But she's leveled. She's where she's going to be. It's looking pretty good over there by the wood stove. I like it over there much better than that over here. Especially with some pegboard, it's gonna look pretty sweet. And the ceiling's higher above the workbench, which is gonna make me feel more roomy. Because over here, I'll probably jump and bust my head, especially on that light right there. I need to get one of those over there, which would be nice too. Maybe some corner lights. Yep. Now I've got everything here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up that pegboard that I've got and put it up there. Gotta build a frame for it. But if anybody knows what these are, these metal rings, let me know. There's complete rings. There's some up there. I don't know what they're for. They came with the garage. So if anyone has an idea, let me know. I don't know. Since I'm mounting the pegboard wall to, well, brick, I need a frame behind it to allow the hooks to go in and some spacing. Man, we are really starting to get somewhere now. So I reached a stopping point for the night. I am very exhausted. Once again, night shift hours. I've got this side pretty much dialed aside from moving tools over. Got the back wall pretty organized as well. And around the wood stove, which is usable again. But we've still got a big old pile to sort and figure out where to put it. It's all the small stuff now. The big, the big stuff took a little bit to move. But we're getting it all figured out, little bit by little bit. I got to work the next 2 days, but I will see you right now. Well, it's been more than 2 days. I got sick, I had to work, and I've been busy hatching chickens. Got 5 chicks right now. But now, oh, and I've ordered some stuff to make this process a lot easier. I've got these new socket holders, some shelves to hang some tools off of, and some toolbox lining. So we're gonna get this shop looking good. I'm gonna get all this stuff over here processed and packed away somewhere. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's $9 purchase right there. Now I'm working on transferring my tool wall from there to here. Over here is gonna have like car parts and unopened stuff. It's gonna basically be a parts wall. And this is coming along nicely. Today is actually Christmas Eve, and I've got to work tonight, so I need to go to bed. But right now, I've got some organizers for my toolbox and some stuff to do when I get back after the holidays, so we'll get that knocked out and have this toolbox looking good. The wall will look good. And as you can see, the shop is starting to come together. It's coming along really nicely. Alright, so what you are seeing is the finished product. The new layout of the shop. Yes, I still had to move some of my stuff over here. And that's just a little tedious and finally clear off my workbench. But I have found enough duplicate tools to make a travel toolbox that's pretty good and organized. And a lot smaller than what I was using. So that's pretty neat. Also went ahead and I've used my organizers and organized my toolbox pretty successfully. And these pads down there are super nice. So we've got somewhere now. The shop wall will come together even more. And I want to find a spot to store like some wood over here, but that shouldn't be too bad. Just move stuff around. Really like that DeWalt hanging shelf idea. We're getting there. Now we are ready to do some projects. I've got the KLR ready to be on the chopping block and my Mountaineer. So look forward to seeing those. Anyways, hope to see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching and welcome to the new shop. We're going to do lots this new year. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you on another one. Watch one of these videos that YouTube says that you would like. See ya.